Hello everyone, my name is Arjun Sani. I am technical engineer at Semco Infratech. Today I am going to tell you about how to balance the battery pack and how to maintain the battery pack if the battery pack become faulty. Now we are seeing here this is a 20 series battery pack, and this is 20 series battery pack, and this is the main positive and main negative, and these all are connected in series in one parallel. The battery pack rating is 75 volts and 100 Ah. The single cell rating is 100 Ah. Now this is a battery pack. How the battery pack become faulty? Like we are using the battery pack in our loads like vehicles and etc. some ESS system. So after using the number of cycle, it going to like one of the series will goes down and other series will goes up. That will make the voltage difference between the series of the battery pack. What will happen if the series in series voltage or the difference will increase, that will decrease the capacity of the battery pack, due to which what will happen, the battery pack become faulty. So for that, for the maintenance of the battery pack, what we are using that machine, this is the balancer machine. This machine will do that this machine will equalize each and every single series of the battery pack to the equal voltage. Like if you are want to balance the voltage to 2.5 of each series, this will balance the each and every series of the battery pack to 2.5. If you are want to means if you want to balance the battery pack by charging also from 2.5 to 3.2, it will balance the battery pack up to 3.2 volt also. So here we are seeing that each and every series of the battery pack from 1 to 20, because we are using the 20 series battery pack. So the low voltage is 2.5 and maximum voltage is 3.2. So from if we want to make the charge by charging it to up to 3.0 voltage from 2.5 voltage, it will goes up to 3 volt and balance every series to 3.0 only. If you want to make the balance above than 3 volt, like 3.2, 3.65, it will balance also up to 3.65 within a minimum time by connecting external charger also. If you want to see the working of this machine, check the link given in the description box. Thanks for watching the video.